Hi guys, just going to do another glider that I spotted on Pinterest. Looks fairly simple. There'll be a link in the video description to it, to the actual Pinterest file. I'll just see if we can follow it. Fold it down the middle, fold the corners in, fold that over that way. Fold that down. Haven't got a dimension for that. I'm guessing it's about halfway along there. So if we make those corners touch each other, they should be the same size. And that one folds back over there to hold them in place. Oh, I didn't get those very even. I might refold them, they look quite different. I could do with a ruler just to check that. $50. That's got it better the second time. Yeah, it looks a bit better. Still not perfect. And that folds down, so it goes along that line there. Right, okay. Looks a bit narrower than it does in the picture. Still, we'll see if that flies. Well, that one works. No trouble at all. Nice, gentle, smooth, straight, level. What else can I say? Don't have a name for it, so it'll just be a Pinterest link. So you can get the original details. Yeah, works fine. Thank you for watching. Oh, end screen time, I suppose. Haven't done that for a while. Up here, a video that YouTube thinks you'll like on my channel. Down here is my channel. Check it out. I do far more than just paper aeroplanes. Up here, the latest video on my channel. And down here, a playlist, which will be my paper planes playlist in this case. Thank you for watching.